What is up, folks? I am here still in lovely Washington State, but today I am actually in Seattle. So I'm here today. I'm headed over to Pike Place Market. I'm gonna go do some exploring over there. It's been a while since I've been in Pike Place, very long time. I actually think the official last time I was in Pike Place was probably when the Seahawks won the Super Bowl. I think that's the last time I went to Pike Place. So I'm gonna head here. I do have reservations at the highest rated restaurant in Seattle. So if you guys want to check that out, that's gonna be on a whole other video. But this video is pretty much me walking around Pike Place, exploring it a little bit. So yeah, let's go head this way and get to Pike Place, and I'll be back with you when we find something cool. So I'm coming up on a little row of like sort of shops and restaurants. There is one store I wanted to go check out. I believe it's still open, and I think it's right here somewhere. I think Pike Place is up there, but I think it's still around here. It's called Ye Olde Curiosity Shoppe. I remember going in there one time when I came out exploring it. It's just full of like just weird shit. So much weird shit. But I'm gonna try there. But there's tons of restaurants up and down here. A lot of like, you know, sort of famous ones, like there's Ivar's Fish Bar right there. And there's a few more up and down here. It's like a nice crab one. This is Pier 54. Where I got off at the ferry was Pier 50. I took the fast ferry from Bremerton. It's like 30 minutes. Costs $2 to get over to Seattle, and then $12 to get back. Make it make sense, but yeah. But this is a cool little district here. Lots of stuff. Look at this. So I'm sure they probably got some good fish and chips there. I cannot eat as much as I used to, so, or else I would just be sampling food up and down here. I'm gonna kind of save that for Pike Place because there's a couple places I want to go there. So I do have a couple of hard places that I want to try, or at least go to. There's a ice cream shop. There is the world's first Starbucks that is located here in Pike Place Market. And then there's also this one restaurant that apparently Tom Hanks sat at the bar in Sleepless in Seattle. So I'm gonna check some of that stuff out. So if that does interest you, keep on walking. Actually, here's the Ye Olde Curiosity Shoppe right here. I thought it was along here, but I guess I'm wrong. Let's go check it out. So it says no ice cream. All right, let's head on in. You see, they got like, there's all kind of stuff. And most of this stuff I believe is for sale. Oh no, none of these are. None of these are, but there's a lot of things that they do have there for sale. It's completely wrong on that one. Not for sale, not for sale. Don't pull my arm, dude. Out of order. Sucks. Yeah, so here's some of the weird stuff. Is that real? Is that real? Arsenic. 14 pounds of arsenic. So I guess that is real. It looks wood though. That looks so fake. Alright, so apparently I'm not crazy. I asked the dude at the register, and he said that they did used to be somewhere else. They were right where Great State Burger used to be, which is right there on the corner. So yeah, I was right. They weren't always back tucked in this little corner. And I think the shop there was bigger. Like they had more stuff. You guys are good? Y'all good? Yeah, but I think they had more stuff when they used to be right here. A lot better. But we're gonna head this way and go check out some more stuff. This is a pretty nice day for you know, like Seattle standards, I guess. There's the Seattle Eye right there. Ferris wheel, big wheel, whatever you want to call it. And then here's the crab pot. This is the only one I was talking about with, I guess they do pretty good seafood. Again, I would love to try a lot of these places, but just can't do it. Looks like there's a distillery right here, Copperworks. Pier 57. You guys want to come check this out? I think Pike Place should be up here. I could be wrong. I hope I'm not wrong. All right, so according to Google Maps, it's up this way, so I'm going to take these stairs, try to get to it. Whew, bit of climbing, but I think we're here. So the upper level's up here, but I'm going to walk in here and see what's around this area. Whew. Stairs, boy. I don't know what this is. Looks like a cooking show almost. The Down Under shops. Okay, so up under here, there's just like a bunch of shops and stores. I think I might head upstairs. Let's head up here. I'm already out of breath. What is this? A magic shop. Cool little magic shop in here. Don't worry, walking into some of these places because I don't know if they're cool with it or not. So, try not to do that. There's also a restaurant here called the Pike. I was kind of looking for that, but I don't see it. See if maybe it's up here. A barbershop. Oh, it smells good right here. I don't know what the hell that is, but it smells good. All right, let's head on up here. So this is the fishmongers here. This is where they sometimes throw the fish. Let's get a shot of the sign for the thumbnail. I think the sign's up here. Yep, there it is. All right, there we go. We got the thumbnail. What time is it? Still got about 30 minutes before I have to be at my reservation. They're supposed to be somewhere around here. But this is where they sometimes throw the fish, as you can see right there. She looked mad. Lots of things in here. So much to see and do inside here. We got the beef jerky. What's up, man? Man, I got some good beef jerky here too. We got a lot of different beef jerky. Original. We got around here. Got a big old butcher. Got pretty much everything you want here in this market. And as you see, it is busy as hell. Oh, excuse me. All right, well, I don't think they're gonna throw any fish right now. So let's see if we can go find the world's oldest Starbucks and get there. I will report back if I find it. Look at this place. It is a madhouse. This place is apparently very popular. There's a line all the way down that way. But we're here. I found it. Here it is. The first Starbucks right here. Bam. Now, I don't drink coffee. I'm not a big coffee drinker. There's a line for this one as well, so I'm going to get in. I'm just probably going to go in here and see if they happen to have a cup or something. If they have any mugs or cups or something. All right, so here I am inside the first Starbucks. So they have this mug, and then they have this one, which I think I'm going to get one of each. I believe they said I have to get it up there, though. So I might get one of each. I'm going to get one for the, is that glass? Oh, that's actually glass. That's pretty cool. Oh, wait, this one actually says the first Starbucks store. Maybe this one. I might get this one. I might get that one. And then Maybe this one. Or you know what? I will call the niece. We'll just do that. So I ended up getting 2 of these right here. And here they are. Thank you. Ooh. There we go. All right. First Starbucks. The first Starbucks in the bag.
Thank you, my friend. Have a good one.
You have a better one. All right. So I think now I need to head this way. Because I think there's a lot of people with flowers around. What's up with the flowers? Like I see everybody with bouquets.
They're over there.
Are they like really cheap or something? Or?
Yeah, they're actually really cheap.
Oh, okay. I just see a shitload of people with them. It's kind of crazy.
I think it's a thing. Have you been here before?
A long time ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
their thing. Like they always have bouquets and stuff here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. All right, let's head this way and try to find the pink door. Place looks funny. Actually, do I have time? I do have a little bit of time. Let's go in here and see what's in here. It's like there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff in here. There's like a international shop there. UPS. Not sure what's in here. I've never been in here before. It's like there's a little restaurant right here. Emmett Watson's Oyster Bar. So there's a little oyster bar right here. And then does this go out to the street? No, it does not. It's the restrooms. I'm not going to walk in there and film, of course. What is it? That's the actual restaurant too. All right, so let's head on out here. I think the pink door is the next block up, down a little alley. So I think this is where I'm going to leave you. Not leave, the video's not over. I still got like another place I want to hit, but I'm going to pause it here and go to the place I was going to go for my reservation. So I will see you when I come out of there. If you want to watch that video, make sure you like and subscribe. All right. I just came. Let me make sure I am. Oh, sorry. Yep. So I just came out of the pink door behind me. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. And they close this. So I can use that as a thumbnail. So I just came out of the pink door. That place is amazing. Very highly rated on Google. You will see that on a separate video. It will probably, I don't know if it'll come out before or after this one, but it'll come out. So now I am headed to, all right, so I'm going to head down here because I think I need to go here first. And then I'm going to head to the Sleepless in Seattle restaurant first, is what I'm going to do. See if I can get a seat at Tom Hanks' seat, because apparently they have one there. Okay, so this is where I was earlier, where I thought I couldn't come through. I think you guys saw me. I didn't know I could come through here, but apparently I can. I thought it was like a restaurant, but I could have came through here and went up.
This way.
Yep, there we go. So, yeah. I don't know if you guys remember this from a couple minutes ago. Beecher's Handmade Cheese. Apparently this place supposedly has really good mac and cheese. I saw some things on TikTok. Apparently they make their own cheese here. Matter of fact, I could probably go to this window and show you. It's where they make their own cheese. Right there. There they go. They're making their own cheese. And I've seen some pictures of it, like videos of people eating it. Not really my style of mac and cheese. It's a very watery sort of cheese. I really like the more sticky cheese. I'm a sticky cheese fan. Okay. All right, where is this place? Okay, I see it right there. You probably can't read it, but it's like right there. So this kind of reminds me a bit of like a little skinny, thin Pike, or not Pike, this is Pike Place, but Camden Market in London. It's kind of how this place is set up a little bit. Almost like a Camden Market. I keep wanting to say Pike Place, but it's Camden Market, where it's full of like shops and locally owned things. Lots of vegetable fruit stands as well. Lots of these everywhere. We're gonna head on in here, right there, to the Athenian. So this is the Sleepless in Seattle restaurant right here, called the Athenian. Let's see if we just go in here and grab a drink maybe. I don't know, let's see. Apparently you can't sit there, but right there, there's the Rob Reiner seat for Sleepless in Seattle. And then that one right there is the Tom Hanks one. But that's the Athenian. So, there's a full bar around the corner, but I kind of wanted to sit there and check it out, but I wasn't able to, which is all good. All right, let's head up to this, see if I can find my way up to this.
I'm gonna go get some flowers.
I think this might be the quickest way to get to it, I think. I'm gonna see if I can get my way to this soda shop, this ice cream shop, and go grab an ice cream. So we'll be right back. All right, I see this. Let's see if this goes up out to the street. I think I've accidentally found a couple of these places. So yeah, this is what we want. We want Shug Soda Fountain. Somewhere up here. Shug's right here. And it looks like they got quite a line. Well, not too bad, but we do have a line. A little tap room there. All right, so we're gonna hop in here and see what we can get. All right, so I finally got up here. I've been in line for quite a while. I want to say over 30 minutes I've been waiting in line. This place is very popular. So these ladies are hustling, getting these ice cream out of here. But I ordered the Inverno, which apparently has Kahlua, Cafe Vita, cold brew, coffee, and vanilla ice cream and whipped cream. It is an ice cream cocktail. So I ordered that one. We're going to try that one when it comes out. So stay right back. All right, it has arrived. Here's the Inverno. This is one of their ice cream cocktails. Kind of looks more like a milkshake, which is basically what I wanted. So let's try it out here. I'm trying. It's good though. Man. Yeah, so this is, it says it's a coffee or a ice cream cocktail, but I would more call this a boozy milkshake. It's good. Is it normally like this all the time?
It will be from here on out, but it's just started getting real nice.
I guess because weather is getting dark. I'm going to go ahead and kind of end this video here, finish the rest of this, and then I'm going to head out to Merchant's Cafe, which is up that way, about a 15-minute walk towards the ferry, which is where I need to go anyway. But Merchant's Cafe is the oldest bar in Seattle, like 1889, 1890-ish. If you want to check out that video, you got to make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, because I'm going to put that on another video, so this video is not too ridiculously long. I'm not sure how long it's going to be right already. So I want to keep it too boring. But this place is good. This is Shug's. It's right off of Pike Place, not far. Like the Athenian that I went to was like right there, as well as the first Starbucks is like right there too, down on the other street. So you got to go either out and around or you can go down the stairs. So make sure you guys check them out. They are hustling in here. They are getting it. This is really good. The Inverno, in case you want to know again. But that's all I got for you guys. Comment down below your favorite place in your area. I will try to make it there. And as always, tripping ain't easy, but a show is fun.